Now for our Aircel NDTV Save Our Tigers campaign, as we continue to look at some of the famous tiger parks in India. Today we take a look at Sariska Tiger Reserve in Rajasthan. Remember, Sariska had shocked the country in 2005 when it was declared tigerless. All the tigers there were poached. Now the reserve is slowly but surely on the road to recovery with 9 tigers and 2 cubs.
2005, the lowest point in India's tiger conservation history. The Sariska Tiger Reserve in Rajasthan was declared bereft of all its tigers. The incident shocked the country. While it was known tiger poaching went on in parts of the country, no one imagined an entire national park could be emptied of its tigers in this blatant manner, especially when so much public money was being spent on tiger conservation.
They never imagined this kind of thing can happen. Some poachers can. So that probably ignorance of and the poacher, they have manipulated the things in such a manner that these people are totally not aware of what has happened.
It was then that NDTV and Aircel began the Save Our Tigers campaign, where we rallied the public and our politicians to do more for the national animal. Notorious tiger trader Sansar Chand was arrested, and in 2008, 5 tigers were shifted from the Ranthambore Tiger Reserve to repopulate Sariska, the first ever tiger translocation program. Today, the reserve has 9 big cats, including 2 cubs. The tiger program did have a setback when one of the tigers brought from Ranthambore was found dead, but since then, most of the tigers here are closely monitored by a team of 2 men, one from the Forest Department and one from the Wildlife Institute of India. While some problems still remain, such as the existence of villages inside the park and protecting the buffer area, it can be said that the park is on the road to recovery. With Zubair Rizvi and Gargi Rawat, Anusya Mathur for NDTV.